Okay, good morning class. You guys had some homework as per usual? Yes? You just open the textbook. Okay. Please settle down. From the booklet we are on page, what was the homework? Okay, well the first page is page 17. Let's go there. Okay. Do you have any problems with the magic square? Sorry? No, okay. So, let's just get the values here for the magic square. It was 5B, no? And 5C. Okay, the values. Just from left to right. In the first cross is the first row. It is 20, 30, 9 and 8. Okay. The second row is 10. Are you guys with me? Alright. 10 then, 7 then, 19 then, 14. Nice. The next one? 15, 18, 6 and 12, 11. The last one is 5, 12, 16 and 17. Let's look at C. In C you have 24, 22, 17, 15. Correct? The next one is going to be 13, 19, 20 and 26. The next one is 23, 25, 14 and 16, and C is 18, 12, 27 and 21. Any issues there? No. Did I only give you the magic squares in that worksheet? What else did I give you? No, in this worksheet, number extension. Did I give you number 14 to do? Number 13? Oh wait, I'm on the wrong page, no? Sorry, 17, page 17. So, we did C. So, we turn the page. Did we do number 6 on page 18? Sorry? We did that already. Okay, did we do number 7? Yes. Number 8? Okay. So I think that is suffice, that's enough. Then we went on to chapter 2, which is number theory. Sorry? I can't repeat now, just watch the video again later. You didn't read most of the numbers out in C now. Read your last row. No. It's 18, 12, 27, 21. So the first row is what? 24, 22, 17 and 15. You got that? Read the table. No? You get it wrong again, just write the last row in. It's going to be 18, 12, 27 and 21. Okay, you do it this afternoon as part of your homework. If you have an issue, you bring it again tomorrow, and then I would have to redo it. Okay, okay. But the previous one, you got the old what's the name, right? The old square, right? So you might have just made addition error there. Okay, made it error when you added the row sum. So what I suggest you do is you redo the table. And then you check your last row. If your last row is not right, you let me know in tomorrow's lesson. I'll do it on the board, okay? Then you add which number? On page? 21, 29. Okay, so skills 9 on page 29. 6. Okay. Skill 6. Okay, fine. Skill 6. The first one is 9. The number 3 is 21. Number 5 is 54. Number 7 is 25. Number 9 is 87. Number 11 is 98. Number 13 is 15. Number 15 is 441. Number 17 is 31,104. Number 19 is 117,649. Any problems that you guys had there? Yes, which one? Number 17. What did you have for number 17? Number 17. Any other problems with skill 6? No other problems with skill 6, no? So it's only number 17. So I'll do that quickly on the board. Page 29. Okay, so squared numbers, skill 6, page 29, number 17. So the first thing is I need to sort out the squares, right? So read your line out, Michael. Yes. 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 Right, next. You just went into your final answer. Right, so 6 times 8 is 48, not so? And 8 times 8 is 48 times 8, so it's going to give 64, that's going to give you 32, 38, correct? Now we multiply it by 9, it's going to be 36, 72, 75, that's 27, 34, times 9, it's going to give you 54, 45, 50, 4 times 9 is 36, 41, 27, 31. What did I tell you what the answer was?
31,000.
Is it the same? 31,104. Where did you go wrong, Michael? So here are your mistakes. You got 384 times 9, you got something wrong there. Okay. What I would have done was I would have said 6 times 8 squared times 9 squared. I would have first said 8 squared is 64, 9 squared is 81. Okay, so 60, I would have then at this point said 64 times 6, which is 24. That is 3678. Okay, and then multiplied by 81, which is 3840, 32, 364, 567, that is 24, 30. So that's 4, 10, 11, because of the carry 1 there. A bit less calculation, okay, but it's a bigger sum. Okay, which gives me the same. Okay, but both ways is acceptable. So then you have to do skill 7. Right, the odd numbers there. The first one is 8, then 11, yes, then 9, yes, 10, yes, 7, 9, 13, 8, 17 is 8, 19 is 15. Do you all agree with that? Then for skill 8, we're just going to carry on by 2 numbers. Okay. Skill 8, 25 and 13. Number 3, 55 and 66. Number 5, and 850. Number 7, 2,969 and 40,844. Number 9, 4,531 and 650. Nice. Any issues with skill 8? Then let's go to skill 9. Mustn't do skill 9. Okay. So that is all the work from this booklet. Okay. So now we're going to look at skill 9 on page 22. So on skill 9, page 22. The question says substitute if the triangle. Now the triangle can be anything. It could be a dot, it could be a triangle, it could be a square, it could be a circle, it could be a diamond or a triangle. You understand? So being a triangle doesn't make any difference if it was any other shape. You guys okay with that? So whenever we see a triangle, we replace the triangle with a number, and the number given in this sum is 5. Now not every triangle will be 5. Okay? You all agree with that? You all understand? Okay. If the triangle is 5 and the diamond is 3, so the diamond and triangle is different, it could be the same value. Okay, majority of the time it's different value. Find the value of these expressions. So let's look at the first one. So in number 1, what do you think we're going to do there? We're going to replace the triangle with a 5, and then we're going to do the addition. Not so. So do that quickly. And then you do number 2, 3 and 4 quickly. You need to pause quickly. Okay, at this point you guys are done. So we're going to replace the triangle with the 5, so it's 5 plus 6, which is 11, 3 minus 2, which is 1, 2 times 3, which is 6, and the last one we got 3 into 3 plus 5 minus 2. So it will be 3 into, we sort our brackets first according to Bodmas. 3 plus 5 is 8 minus 2 is 3 times 6 is 18. Any confusion at this point? No. Okay. So in number 5, you got a little table there. I want you guys to complete the table. Okay. In the table you will see that you have clubs and you have spades. You guys see that? So you must complete the table if the spade is equal to 3. Your club is equal to 3 times the spade plus 2. So now, what you should note here is that for every corresponding club value, there's a specific spade value. Okay, that's what you must note at this point. So my club here, where do you get these shapes on the cards, no? So it's 3 times. The spade in the first one is 1 plus 2. According to Bodmas multiplication first, 3 plus 2 is 1. So that value is 5. You all understand? Now you complete the table for me. Pause. Okay. So what is the corresponding value of number 2? 8. You all agree with that? See anybody that's confused? Okay, what's the next one? 11. It's 9 is 2 is 11, yes, and the last one? 14. Any confusion here? No. For homework, I would like you guys to do it's going to be skills 9 on page 29. We do with the odd numbers. Skills 9, page 29, the odd numbers. Okay, you got it, Michael? As well as number theory extension on page 30. We do number 1 and number 2, the odd numbers. Number 1 and number 2, the odd numbers. Okay. Then we went into Bodmas, not so. When the bell rang. It's on page 30. Do you guys have page 30, no? Yes. Yeah. We spoke about Bodmas book 2 worksheet, book B, worksheet 2. We stopped at number 11. Okay, I said I'm going to conclude this in this video, and then the even numbers are going to call out. Okay, is that okay? Okay, let me just put this here. Book B, worksheet 2. Alright, Bodmas. So, according to Bodmas, we must do multiplication first. Not so. So, 215 times 12 is going to give you 30, 0, 1, 5, 180. You all agree with that? So that's 180 minus 15 times 2 is 30. 180 minus 30 is 150. You all okay with that? You're moving too fast. No, okay? Again, multiplication first. 7 times 2 is 14. 4 times 8 is 4 times 2 is 8. 14 minus 8, 6. Next. 7 minus 2 is 5. Times 3 is 15. The next one. What must be done first? Multiplication. According to Bodmas, multiplication first. So 7 minus 2 times 3 is 2 times 3 is 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. Any confusion at this point? No. Okay. Okay, the next one. What must be done first? Remember again Bodmas. It all comes back to Bodmas. We got division and we got subtraction in the same sum. Division first. So it's going to be 20 minus 12 divided by 3 is 4. 20 minus 4 is 16. Any questions, people? Any confusion? No? Then you needed to do the even numbers from this worksheet. Not so? Right. So let's look at the first one. The number 2 is? Sorry? 800. Number 4? 9. Number 6? 5. Number 8? 9. Number 10? 7. Number 12? 6. Number 14? 0. Number 16? 2. Number 18? 16. And number 20? 8. Okay, for those of you watching this online here, here's a number you can call me or send me a WhatsApp and I will send you the booklet, okay? Right. Now we're looking at Book B, Worksheet 3, the odd numbers. You guys can start with that now. This is the odd numbers quickly, no? We'll answer that in today's lesson. You'll probably start Book C as well. Worksheet 3, yes. Book B, Worksheet 3. We'll pause the video at this point. Okay, at this point you guys are done. So the first time, as you can see, there's a division, multiplication and subtraction. Okay, division, multiplication and subtraction. So what needs to be done first is your division. 8 divided by 2 is 4 times 3 minus 1. Multiplication is going to be 12 minus 1, which is 11. The next one is division and subtraction. So which comes first is division. 60 divided by 5 is 12. Minus 10 divided by 2 is 12 minus 5 is 6. Next is you got multiplication, division, multiplication and subtraction. So that needs to be done on its own. But you see here, are we going to divide first? No. If you have a choice between the two, from left to right, we do whatever comes first. So here, this can interchange, and that can interchange as to whatever comes first from left to right. So here we're actually going to multiply first. Can you see that? Otherwise 7 divided by 2 is what? 3.5. Then you're going to work with decimals. It's fine, you can do that, but you will go into decimals. Or 7 over 2, which is also a fraction. So 6 times 7 is 42, divided by 2 minus 6. So again, division. 42 divided by 2 is 21 minus 6, which is 50. See any confusion? No. The next one, multiplication first. According to Bodmas, so there's 24 divided by 6 minus 3. What's 24 divided by 6? 4. And 4 minus 3 is? Alright, you guys got it. Number 9. Again, Bodmas. Okay, so it's multiplication, division and addition. So as you know, we can interchange the division and multiplication. So we're going to do the division first. Okay? No, sorry, multiplication first. So 6 times 7 is 42 plus 8 times 4 is 16 divided by 4. You could have divided that first, which is going to give you 2, sorry, and 2 times 2 is 4 anyway. Okay? So it's going to be 42, division first. 16 divided by 4 is 4. 42 plus 4. 46. Any confusion, people? No. For homework, I want you guys to do skill 3, even numbers. Worksheet 3, book B, even numbers. Now we're going to look at Bodmas Primary, book C, worksheet 1. Book C, the next worksheet. Worksheet 1. We're going to do the, what numbers we normally do at school? Odd numbers. Okay. Why are you walking around? Why are you throwing your pencil on the floor? Oh, it fell. Okay, nice. Now, so I'm giving you the little work. So you like throwing your stuff around. People don't waste your time. I'll pause at this point. Okay, so at this point you guys are done. So we're busy with Book C, Worksheet 1, the odd numbers. Okay. Alright, so the first one. According to Bodmas, what must be done first? Sorry? Division. So it's going to be 30 minus 2. What's 30 minus 2? 28. Look at the next one. According to Bodmas, what must be done first here? Division. So it's 1 plus 12 divided by 6 is 3 times 2. Again Bodmas, multiplication. So it's 1 plus 6, which is 7. You all okay with that? Right, next. Okay, 12 divided by 6 is 2. I made a mistake, yes? 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Just give you an answer. You're absolutely correct. I'm wrong. Okay? You all okay with that? You must tell me when I'm going wrong. Eh? I'm not good with adding and subtracting. Next, what needs to be done first? Division. Okay, so you do that first. So it's 6. 5 divided by 3 is 5, which gives you an answer. Next, you do brackets. According to Bodmas, it's going to give you 8 divided by 9, yes. 9. You see how you're going to get me in trouble? 9 divided by 3 is 3. Are you all okay with that? Alright, let's take the next 2 up. I'll just bring the Bodmas down. Okay. Number 9, we're going to do division first and then multiplication there. 120 divided by 4 is 30 minus 18 times 2 is 9 times 2 is 18. 30 minus 18 is 12. Any issues there? No? Next, 12 minus brackets first. 12 minus 10 is 2 times 6 plus 7 is 13. 2 times 13 is? Okay, any issues there? Not yet. Okay. Number 13. 57. Let's look at number 13. Again, brackets first. It's going to be 50 divided by 2 times 5 is 10. 50 divided by 10 is 5. Next, number 15. Let's do brackets first according to Bodmas. So is 80 divided by 50 divided by 5 is 10 times 4. So what must be done first? Division. Which gives us 8 times 4, which is 32. Okay. Next, 17. Again, brackets first. 40 divided by 5 is 8 times 5. What's 8 times 5? 40. Okay. Number 19. Last one there. According to Bodmas, what must be done first? Brackets. The division in the brackets first. 36 divided by 4. 9 times 2. What's 9 times 2? 18. 18 divided by 18 is? Who got all the sums right? Okay. Everybody on this side got everything right. Okay, you guys must rather sit on this side. I'm joking, no? Right. People, what was the main problem that you had with the sums that you got wrong? Yes? Say, what is the main thing that you had wrong, that you're making a mistake on? The basic calculation, timesing and so on. But you're not messing up the order of operation. Okay. We're going to do a lot of calculations, so over time that should sort itself out. Out. Alright. For homework, it's book C worksheet 1. Even numbers. Yeah. I think we'll stop there today. So you can start with your homework now, okay? But you want to carry on? No. Homework. Okay. So start with your homework, alright?